When it comes to flexibility, nothing beats the BMW Group plant Regensburg. 9 different models are manufactured on a single production line there, from the BMW X1 and the BMW 1, 2 and 3 series to the BMW 4 convertible, and now, the newest edition, the BMW X2. In order to remain masters of flexibility into the future, they consistently focus on innovative automation, state-of-the-art assistance systems, and digitized processes. This also offers enormous opportunities for the workplace. Nowadays, large industrial robots are no longer placed behind safety fences and can be operated directly by associates. That way, both colleague and robot can make optimal use of their key strengths, dexterity and professional expertise from the associate to place the robots in the right position, and heavy labor from the robot to carry out the task. Another way of easing the burden on associates is the use of modern exoskeletons, which support the body. Just under 5,400 associates work on the flexible assembly line.
Das Exoskelett für den Unterkörper haben wir schon vor 3 Jahren mit Versuchen begonnen und sind jetzt seit diesem Jahr im Dauereinsatz. Und das Exoskelett für den Oberkörper werden wir voraussichtlich Anfang 2018 weiterhin ausrollen.
The exoskeleton is attached to the upper body and strengthens the movements of the upper arms during physically demanding work. Mechanical spring supports, which increase arm strength, are integrated into the vest's joints. The exoskeleton for the lower body improves the associate's posture, much like a chair. Around 1,400 vehicles are produced every day by the 9,000 associates working in the Regensburg plant. The goal of the BMW Group is to maintain an efficient, stable and flexible production. At the same time, they also aim to support and make good use of the associates' strengths and skills.